What's up everybody? I'm going to teach you how to breakdance. So let's just get right into it. First thing you want to do, you want to start standing. You never want to start on the floor. Okay, that's just a pro tip. Not everyone knows that part, but yeah. So here we go. Let's breakdance. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to go right here, right? And then you're going to move this leg right behind this leg, and then you're going to do kind of a flippy thing with the other leg, like this, like that. Okay? You following so far? Okay, good. Alright, so you're going to take this leg, put it behind this one, and then you want to quickly just move both over. I'll do that slowly. Alright, here we go. So just like this. Take one leg, over that leg, over the other leg, and then flip. Okay? You guys are doing great so far. Alright, so here's what we should do next. Okay, let's actually play that back in slow motion. Okay. So, you're down here, alright? Now slow motion. Just like this. Ready? Alright, let's move on to the next step, ready? So, usually people associate going on your back with breakdancing, so we're gonna go right into that. So you just finished this move, right? Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Now, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna wanna fall down like this, but smoothly. You're doing great. Okay. So, let's just replay that. You are doing awesome. Alright, let's go to the next step. So, you're on your back, right? Now, this is just for beginners, okay? This is just the beginners part. So we're not going to go into advanced breakdancing, which I can show you guys later in another video. So, here's what you're going to want to do. You're on your back, right? Now, you're going to spin like this. Good. Now, here's where the easy part comes in. You're going to move this leg over here. Got it? Okay. Then you want to take this leg and move it around here. Like that. Okay, and after that, you're just going to repeat the same steps and voila, you're a breakdancer. Now let's do the whole routine. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, now let's take a look at one of my past breakdancing performances, and let's see if I'll do a tutorial then, more advanced breakdancing. So, take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to do more tutorials, and yeah, see you later guys.